Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Super Tech. Today we're unboxing and review the Redmi Pad 4G. We talk about the specs, the settings, performance, and everything you need to know before buying one. We also test the gameplay, camera quality, battery life, and sound. So make sure you watch to the end. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Alright, let's jump straight to the unboxing. I'm excited to see what's inside. Stick around to the end. Alright, so let's view the unboxing experience. The Redmi Pad 4G, as you can see in the box. Graphite Gray 4GB 128, 11-inch display with a 9000 mAh battery. So let's check what's inside the box. As you can see, we're greeted by the tablet itself, neatly wrapped. You can see the Xiaomi logo, 11-inch 2.5K display. So in the box, you can see we have the 80-watt charging brick. That's it right there, 18-watt charging brick. USB type A to C cable for charging the tablet. Basically, the variant I have here is the 4GB 128. We also have the 6GB 128 and the 8GB 256. There's also the paperwork, the user manual that nearly nobody really reads. You can see it also comes with a SIM ejector tool right there in the box. So you've got choices of other color. We have the graphite gray here. There's also the mint gray and the lavender purple. So opening the box, you're greeted by the tablet itself, which is this, neatly wrapped. Oh, this really feels solid. The graphite gray feels solid, which is really amazing. You can see the SIM tray, the volume rocker keys, the volume up and down. You can see the Dolby Atmos speaker. You can see the 3.5mm audio jack and the USB Type-C port. You can see the power button on top and other two Dolby Atmos speaker. Oh, it's always nice when a budget-friendly tablet feels this premium. Right, jumping straight into the settings, under the About tablet section, you can see it's running on the latest Xiaomi Pad OS on Android 15. That's the latest version, so you're good to go for apps and updates. For display settings, you've got dark and light mode, which is right here, and a 90Hz refresh rate that can be switched down to 60Hz if you want to save battery, which is really handy. Customization is also nice, different wallpaper and personalization options. Let's try one. Oh, this one, yeah, looks great on both screens. Under the hood, powered by the MediaTek Helio G100 Ultra, which is pretty decent for everyday apps, media and light gaming. Home screen is flexible. You've got the app drawer and navigation style options, which make it feel more like a proper tablet, not just a big phone. Quick reminder though, if you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech reviews. I really appreciate that. Now let's go to the camera on the same tray. The camera setup, you've got the 8MP rear camera and 5MP front camera, which is perfect for videos, call, casual photos, or scanning documents. As you can see, the SIM tray is hybrid, which means you can use one SIM card and a memory card, or dual SIM. is super flexible. Let's insert a SIM and yep, you can see the 4G cellular network is showing, which work instantly. This is really smooth. Now moving on to the display. This is a 2.5K 11-inch IPS LCD display. Let's play a YouTube video real quick and see how the display works. Wow, the display is bright, vibrant and sharp. Colors pop, contrast is solid, which is perfect for streaming, reading or just browsing. Honestly, this screen feels much bigger and immersive than smartphones. I really encourage you to get this tab. It's perfect budget friendly tablet. Also, the stylus support is available with the Redmi Pad pen, but oh, unfortunately I don't have it right now. I'll make a separate video testing it when I get it. For gaming, let's try Buggy racing. Gaming on this tablet feels really satisfying, comfortable to hold, big screen. It almost feels like a mini console. Also testing Dream Leaks that are yep, work perfectly, no lags. Oh, what a go, what a go. The keeper have no chance at all keeping that. Charging also work perfectly on this with a big 9000 mAh battery which lasts all day easily. Let's go to the multitasking. One of my favorite features about this tab is the split screen mode. You can run two apps side by side. Here I've got the alarm and calculator app which is working perfectly side by side. It works perfectly and multitasking is smooth. You can shift up left or right however you like, very handy for productivity, which doesn't lag also. Let's take a look at the setting once more. You can see the 4 gig version, 128 gig Android 15, which is 4G Lite enabled, 9000 mAh battery. Everything looks nice, looks solid and ready for daily use. And that's pretty much everything about the Redmi Pad 2 4G. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing tech updates. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.